Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3, X installed and Vscode with Python and Jupyter extensions. Open your project folder now so the workspace is set. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+P and select the correct Python interpreter. This ensures your kernels run with the right packages. Make sure virtual environments are visible. They isolate dependencies and prevent conflicts. You'll now create or open a IPIN file. That first actionable step loads the notebook UI and prepares cells for code. You'll now interact with the notebook. Add code and markdown cells, then run them with Shift+Enter so outputs appear inline. Once you execute code, use the kernel picker at the top right to switch environments. This matters when testing different dependency sets. If something hangs, interrupt or restart the kernel to clear state. Make sure to rerun necessary cells to rebuild outputs. Use the variables pane and inline plots to inspect data quickly, which speeds debugging and helps you understand results as you iterate. You're finishing up. Save the notebook and consider exporting to Py or HTML for sharing. If a module is missing, open the integrated terminal and pip install or conda install into the active environment. Then restart the kernel so new packages load. Once done, rerun critical cells to confirm reproducibility. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify the selected interpreter and kernel. Then restart the kernel and run cells in order. This sequence resolves most environment and execution issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.